Oh my God. On a mission right now to see a wrecked S2K. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get into this spot over here. I know, yeah, the cops are watching us and shit. Look at that. This is the track I ran, guys, a while ago with my 8th Gen SI. It's a pretty wicked track, honestly. Thompson Speedway. It's over here in Connecticut. And as you guys can see right down there, there's a wrecked Honda S2000, sadly. I think this is my first time actually walking on a track. This is super sketchy, by the way. Hopefully you don't have cameras.
Lay low, yo.
Lay low, yo. Out here chilling with Omar. We wore the brightest colors that I have in my wardrobe, so kind of slacking right there. Yeah, same blue. It's kind of sketch. The cops aren't doing their job, right? No, I'm just kidding. Damn, dude, this thing's fucked up. A bag. I knew there was going to be an S2K here. About to strip the dash out. And no tools, just hands. As you guys can see, this thing is literally abandoned right now. Oh my God. Damn, dude, this thing got wrecked. Look at that, whole front bumper is all screwed up.
I like the wheels.
He was definitely running one of those events, dude. Airbags deployed, so it is totaled right now. Unfortunately, that sucks, but that sucks, dude. Thing got wrecked. How you doing, man?
What's up, buddy? He crashed under the bridge yesterday.
Really? Yeah. Dude, I seen it sitting here. I'm like, I gotta check this thing out because...
He was coming out, it's turn 5 right here for the road course.
Yeah.
And he ended up, you can actually see the tire was slow.
Yo.
See where he hit? All the black. Right here on the edge of the white wall, he slammed, went straight into it.
Dude, I hit this track before with my 8th Gen. When I was walking in from that gate, the bridge, I had to stop. I'm like, no way, man. Yeah. So we lost control?
Yeah, they, I didn't get to see it happen, but they
sucks, dude, that's an expensive car.
Yeah, and then I'm pretty sure it's total.
It's nice, but yeah, that's total, dude. It's too much damage on it.
Yeah, we'll get out of here, man. I'm just checking it out.
I didn't know if it was your car.
No, wait, no, I don't wish it's mine. Yeah, I thought he was gonna kick us out. I really thought he was gonna kick us out, but as you guys can see, this thing is so freaking destroyed. It's just sad to see it like this, man. Fender liner, all torn up, literally. And obviously you heard that guy. He was coming around that bend. He hit the wall and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty bad, but there it is. That's how it sits, guys. We're about to get out of here because we literally just had security on us. So rest in peace, S2K. Whoever's car this is, if you're watching this, my thoughts go out to you. Hopefully you're okay. Hopefully you get this thing figured out, maybe get another S2K. But I had to come over here, check it out, show it some love, and give it my prayers because it's sad to see the car like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace out. There's the wall he hit right there. I just want to show you guys a little bit closer. It's the spot, right? That's what he said. Right under the bridge. So I'm assuming...
You can see the tire track. See how it...
Oh, yeah, all the shredded tire and stuff.
Came right in through here.
There's this spot, guys, right here. Damn, man. Rest in peace. Rip.